Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own sticker on TikTok. First, you will need to take a photo. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, you will take a photo. I've already taken a photo. So if, for instance, I'll be using this photo of Vegeta. Yeah? Okay, so next you'll go into TikTok. Then you'll simply tap on the plus in the bottom of the screen like you'll normally do. Then you record a video. Then simply tap on the sticky in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on stickers right at the bottom right hand corner beside next. Then right where you see the plus with the two photos right beside poll in the top left hand corner, you'll simply select that. Then I'll select the picture of Vegeta right there. Then you're going to select upload to remove background. You'll simply turn that on. Then press OK. And you can see the sticker right there. Then you can use your finger to drag it to whichever position you would like. And you can also use your thumb to get it larger. And then press next to post it. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.